JWHEEL maintenance tips. Keep your wheels looking great. JWHEEL offers useful maintenance tips to keep your wheels looking great. Regular cleaning and proper care can extend the life of your wheels. For a Mazda 3 or a Subaru Impreza owner, following these tips can ensure that their JWHEEL wheels stay in top condition. As car modifications become more common, proper maintenance is essential. JWHEEL's maintenance tips help car owners keep their wheels in excellent shape. The brand's satisfaction cleaning, polishing, and protecting your wheels can help you maintain their appearance and performance for years to come. Whether you're a car enthusiast who takes pride in your vehicle's appearance, simply want to keep your wheels in good condition, JWHEEL's maintenance are a valuable resource. Keywords: JWHEEL maintenance tips, alloy wheels care, Mazda 3, Subaru Impreza, car modifications.